GarageBand on iPad and iPhone comes packed with literally thousands of sounds, loops, touch instruments, drummers, and more out of the box. If you find yourself looking for even more sounds or for something in a specific genre, GarageBand has a way to add a ton of shiny new sounds for free, built right into the app. Hey, it's Patrick. Let's take a closer look at GarageBand's sound library. You can find the sound library in GarageBand's sound browser, or by tapping the More Sounds icon found next to many of GarageBand's different touch instrument icons. When you open the sound library, you'll be greeted with a big selection of different sound packs that you can download. These are split into a couple of different types. Apple-created sound packs with content ranging from additional loops, instrument patches, drummers, drum kits, live loop grids, presets, and more. Producer packs that feature sounds created or collated by a specific artist that also include insights into their creative process via in-app videos.
Hi, I'm Oak Felder, and welcome to my producer pack here in GarageBand.
You'll also sometimes find time-sensitive remix projects in the sound library as well. In the past, users have been able to access and remix tracks from Dua Lipa and Lady Gaga. Each of these packs has a different name and icon. You can find out more about a pack by tapping on it. This pack, for example, Flex and Flow, comes with more than 400 Apple loops, 25 Alchemy synth sounds, 5 new drum kits, and 2 live loop grids. Here's an idea of how it sounds. When you've found a pack that you like the sound of, tap Get to begin downloading it. You can also add or delete sound packs using the Manage Packs menu in the top left of the screen here. This shows you how much space each pack takes up in your iDevice's storage. You can also add packs from here directly. So if you just want to download everything, doing it here is going to be the easiest way. So once you've done that, where will you find all of your shiny new sounds? The pack I just downloaded, Flex and Flow, contained 400 new loops. To find them, I'll need to switch to the tracks view. I don't have anything recorded yet, so the easiest way to access the tracks view is by opening a drummer track. From here, I can tap the tracks icon in the top left, and we're in. Now, if I tap the loops icon in the top right of the screen, the loop browser will open. If I tap filter by, I can move through these menus and choose to only see loops from a specific pack. So if I choose Flex and Flow here, all the loops in the loop browser will be from the Flex and Flow pack. The Flex and Flow pack also contained 5 new drummers. If I head back to the sound browser and select acoustic drums from the drums tab, just like in the loop browser, I can select the play kits from the Flex and Flow pack. If I go to the recently downloaded tab and select Flex and Flow, I can choose from the 5 new kits that came with it. It's the same story for the Alchemy synth patches. If I open the Alchemy synth and scroll through some of the instrument sounds on offer, the sounds that came with the Flex and Flow pack are clearly marked. I can also head to the recently downloaded menu and select Flex and Flow to have all the patches that came with the pack be displayed. In the Beat sequencer, navigating through the kit menu allows me to go straight to the 5 new kits that we saw in the drums touch instrument. and opening the Live Loop Grids menu allows me to access the 2 new Live Loop Grids that also came with the Flex and Flow pack. Apple adds new content to the sound library on a regular basis, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you know when a new pack is launched. Check the linky in the dinky below for a playlist containing all of my sound pack reviews, or just click right here to check it out now.